So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Berry Factory Tycoon on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on Games, and then press on Get Started. It'll then redirect you to the game screen right here. Now for me, it might appear for you right here, so if you were to scroll down, there's a bunch of different games right here, but if you were to go ahead actually and sort this because we're looking for Berry Factory Tycoon, where it says sort by most popular, make sure that A to Z is selected. And because we're looking for B, we're just going to scroll down right here to where the B's are. So Berry Factory Tycoon, go ahead and select this. Now, how to make real money by playing Berry Factory Tycoon is pretty straightforward. First and foremost, press on the Get Now button to download the app. Once you're here, you actually have to go ahead and move to a dessert factory to get 94 swag bucks, and maybe over time there's going to be more goals, and if you get more swag bucks by completing these goals, you can then actually cash this in for gift cards or money and earn real money this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to make real money by playing Berry Factory Tycoon on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.